come. I think it's a wonderland.
Oh yeah, it's looking very dreamy. What a twinkling pack of fairies is there?
Oh yeah, its beauty is fascinating our eyes. And look at the breathtaking decoration. It's so enthralling. Dear, it's looking like something special is happening here.
Yeah, it looks like, but what it could be?
Oh, yeah, I get it. It's the celebration of our annual function.
Yes, you are right. It's the same one.
Let me take a breath. Whew. Now, I would love to express the visionary charm of our beloved chairman, Sir Javed Iqbal.
Respected sir, we want to pay tribute to you as your untiring efforts to our system, missions and values, your intelligence to bring people closer towards a multi-dimensional system and teamwork. Sorry to you, respected Sir Javed Iqbal.
आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू. आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू. फूल तो फूल, कांटों से भी आई खुशबू. Oh, I can see, honorable sir, in front of me.
Oh, Abiha, can you know what is there behind the curtains?
Yes, Mirha, it's our 25th and 26th annual prize distribution function. And in this ceremony, the students are going to be awarded for their efforts according to the phenomenal team of Britain International School System.
Dear parents, we are delightful to have you present here to see our beloved kids receiving their awards. Respected guests, it's for you. वो आए हमारे घर में खुदा की कुदरत है. वो आए हमारे घर में खुदा की कुदरत है. कभी हम उनको कभी अपने घर को देखते हैं.
Oh, it's the day of celebration and entertainment as well.
So now our shining stars are ready to give a heartfelt
Wow, what a beautiful welcome presentation was presented by the students of Al Shakur campus and Al Mujtaba campus.
I guess it was more than beautiful, and we need your thunderous clap to appreciate these all students for their wonderful performance. Indeed, it was really a welcome performance to all the people present in this hall.
This was beautiful welcome for eminent and prominent Muhammad Shafaqat Ali, Regional Head Banking Muhtasib, State Bank of Pakistan. And along with him, this was a special welcome for Professor Tahir Parvez Saab and the special chief guest, Honorable and eminent Muhammad Fahim Arshad, Deputy Director, State Bank of Pakistan. So in your huge round of applause, now we would like to call upon the stage these prestigious personalities for bouquet presentation.
I would like to humbly request to our respected
I would like to invite eminent and prominent Muhammad Shafaqat Ali, Regional Head Banking Muhtasib, State Bank of Pakistan, along with Chief Guest, Honorable and esteemed Professor Tahir Parvez Saab, along with special guest, Honorable and eminent Muhammad Fahim Arshad, Deputy Director, State Bank of Pakistan, along with passionate and affectionate Sir Javed Iqbal, Chairman, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, along with respected and honorable Ma'am Sobia Khalil, Director Operations, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, along with esteemed and honorable Sir Saqib Yunus, Director Finance, to be here on the stage. Really, this is a mesmerizing. City know that they are here to celebrate their 25th and 26th annual prize distribution ceremony.
It is a wonderful show of love and respect. Come on, friends, be with us. Do a wonderful clapping for this wonderful welcome to these wonderful personalities.
Your kind presence. The students of Al Mujtaba and Al Shakur campus let Multan City know that they are here to celebrate their 25th and 26th annual prize distribution ceremony.
It is a wonderful show of love and respect. Come on, parents, be with us. Do a wonderful clapping for this wonderful welcome to these wonderful personalities. By the head of
By a prestigious chief guest.
Well, thank you so very much for being with us on this honor. To Muhammad Shafaqat Ali, Regional Head Banking Muhtasib, State Bank of Pakistan. So here we go.
Thank you so very much, sir, for taking time out from your busy schedule to grace us with your presence.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much, worthy sir, for spending your precious time with students of Al Mujtaba campus and Muhammad Fahim Arshad, Deputy Director, State Bank of Pakistan. Thank you so